Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the inside cabin light of your MX5. This is for the 2016 and later models. My light completely died, so it's actually pretty straightforward to replace. What I recommend you do is get yourself one of these vinyl trim removal tools. I particularly like the one that's at the 45-degree angle. And what you want to do, just go in the ends, and this one's just wide enough to get both prongs in there. And then just twist. It usually doesn't come out, so we'll go ahead and do the other side really quick. And it just pops right out. And then once you're in here, you'll see there's the light bulb. You can't really see, it's kind of like bluey, blown out looking. Essentially, you can make it just fall out by pushing on the tabs. Sorry, if I can do this one-handed. You can use the vinyl thing to push on the tabs. And there you go, it pops right out. So don't try to force like a pick or something in there. You don't want to short something out, or you don't want to like scratch and break the glass. So the old one comes out. I can show you. It's all foggy, weird looking. And then we got a replacement LED. So same connectors, just make sure the LED sides are going down. And this should just pop right in. Oh. Not gonna lie, it's a little hard to do this one-handed. But yeah, there you go. So the LEDs are in. Just make sure they're aiming down. I would try to avoid poking the actual light like I'm doing, but it's flat. And there you go. Probably twice as bright as the one before. So we can go ahead and turn that back off. And the cover, it's just 4 little clips that you can see, little hooks on the ends. See if this gets in focus and just pops right in place. And that's it.